guys, it's Teresa Robinson, your First Sunday coordinator, with another video message. Hope you're all doing well. I know that all of you who are receiving this video email are not going to actually be at First Sunday this Sunday, May 3rd. But I have information that is of general interest, and I also have information about the upcoming July 1st event for First Sunday that happens with Summerfest, and that is July 1st. So let me start with First Sunday information. First of all, I want to ask that if you are a vendor, whenever you are a vendor at our First Sunday event, please stay for the entire length of the event. Stay all the way up until 5 p.m. We don't want potential shoppers to drive by or walk through and think that the event is over because someone's packing up at 4:30. So please leave all of your tent displays, your table displays out until 5 p.m. and that would help everybody because there's still shoppers out there. Okay, so thank you for that. The other thing is, where are the restrooms? I don't think the Pittsboro Roadhouse is going to be open on Sundays this summer. So your restroom options are the in the Circle, the Courthouse Museum. In the museum, there's a restroom there. There's also a restroom that you can use that is in the theater, which is along Salisbury Street, down the street just a little ways from where I am normally set up. And if you just come to the corner there, I can point you to the museum restroom. Also, for this Sunday, June 3rd, we're going to have a porta potty in the town hall lot, which is across from City Tap. So there's going to be a handicapped accessible porta potty there. Summerfest has its own porta potties coming, and then we'll also have the porta potty there again in August, and hopefully every month thereafter. So I know we needed one, so there you go. So please use that rather than City Tap, if you will. Okay, let me check my notes. Okay, those are all the notes for Summerfest, for First Sunday. Now moving on to Summerfest. I want to give you as much information as I can. So first of all, the hours for vendors on Summerfest Day, which is First Sunday plus Summerfest, the hours are different. The event is going to be from 4 p.m. until 9 p.m. The street is going to shut down and be closed off at 2 o'clock that Sunday afternoon. And what we're going to do is divide the vendors depending on where your vendor space assignment is. We're going to divide you into either 2 or 3 groups. I'll let you know all of this just as soon as I can organize it and this Sunday is over with. I'll send you the information. You'll have a load-in group assignment, A, B, or C. Maybe it's just A and B. With that assignment, you'll be given a specific load-in time window. If you're nearest the courthouse, the Circle, you're going to be first because we need to get you in, unload your merchandise, and then move your vehicle. You'll either have 30 or 45 minutes to get in, unload, and move your vehicle. So then return and set up your displays. The reason for that is they have to set up a large stage near the Circle area and the sound system, which is just up the street from there, mid-street. So we have to get you in, unloaded, get out of the way, and then the stage and so forth can be set up. The second group is going to be the more northerly group coming in from 15501, closer to the stoplight area at Hillsboro and Salisbury. You'll be the second group to load in, and you will either have just 30 or 45 minutes to get in and get out before they have to set up the stage that is going to be at the stoplight area. Okay. So all of details, specific details about what group you're in will be forthcoming, but just kind of plan on that. It will be dark when the event is over. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm hoping the street is well lit for you, but just be aware that it's going to be dark. You'll have to kind of wait for some of the stage areas to be cleared before you can bring your vehicles back in to load up. So it's going to be a long day. I just want to let you know that. Having said that, though, Summerfest brings in the biggest crowd of the entire season. So lots of shoppers, lots of foot traffic, big crowd. So you have to weigh those things out, and just wanted to make you aware of what the load-in situation is going to be. Vendors are going to be in the street along the parking spaces, not on the sidewalk. Information about what specific space you have will be forthcoming. Now, if you've already paid for the entire year, your space, that guarantees you a space. You're guaranteed a space at Summerfest. I'll be contacting those of you who've paid for the entire season to make sure that you're going to be there, or if you don't want to be there, I'll get all that straight. After that, I'm going to sort my list of all the vendors who want to participate on July 1st. I'm going to sort them by the date your application was received and go in that order, offering you spaces at Summerfest. I think that's the most fair way to do it. It could be that I invoice separately or singly for July 1st. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do the invoicing for that just yet, but it will probably just be a one date invoice for that. So there you go. That's my update for First Sunday and First Sunday on July 1st. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me. That's the best thing to do, actually. Email me at pittsburghfirstsunday@gmail.com. All right, thanks you guys. Thank you for your participation, and thanks for being a vendor.